Anti-Scalp rollers are small wheels mounted on the front and back of Bobcat mower decks that keep the deck elevated when traveling over bumps or uneven areas. They reduce the risk of cutting the grass too short and exposing soil. Please take note, the deck is intended to be suspended by the deck linkage, not continuously supported by the rollers. If they're set too low, the rollers will be dragged sideways, potentially gouging the turf. Aside from premature wear of the roller this will cause, the deck may also develop hairline fractures from repeated impact. The larger the deck, the more important the rollers. Set all rollers for the lowest height at which the grass will be cut. 1.5 to 2.5, 2.5 to 3.5, or 3.5 and above. To adjust, simply remove the carriage bolt, place it in the desired position, and retighten.